Hi guys, today we're going to be drawing some balloons. So they're going to look similar to these ones that I did earlier. So yeah. So first I'm going to draw the left part one. So let's just do that. So I'm going to draw like a left part. Like that. So next you're gonna draw like a balloon. So just a normal sort of shaped balloon like that one there. So I'm just gonna, it's not gonna be exactly the same. So I'm just gonna so I'm just drawing the ribbon that it's going to be attached to when it's going in the air, because someone's obviously, I guess, lost a lot of them. So I'm going to draw the purple one there, like that. So the purple one, and then I'll draw the other part one, I think. So the purple balloon is like the main balloon in the picture. So that it's like one of the biggest, I think. That, so that's going to be my purple one. It's going to rub that bit out. So I just rubbed the bit out there. So it's like that. Actually, what I do is I rub this bit out and that one there. Yeah. So that's actually. So then I'm going to draw a little balloon up here. Well, actually, it's not very little. So I'll just do that blue one there, the top, there. And then I'm going to draw the love heart balloon just here. And then there is a yellow balloon here, there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. That's 6 there. So I'm going to draw this little, this little, yellow one here. So I'm just going to lightly draw the blue balloon, so I have an idea of where the thing will come out, and then I'm just going to rub that light tracing out. So to colour this, and I'm going to use oil pastels. Some people, oh gosh, messing this up. If you don't have oil pastels, you can just use normal pencils, or you could use any pencils really, or paint, or you can use whatever you want to colour it in. Because yeah, so that's that. Yeah, I'm just gonna colour the balloons in. So I've coloured the balloons in, and I'm gonna colour them. I'm gonna go over them with some water, and then yeah, I'll come back. So this is it, and I did the sky, and I've done some. I'd used the pencils and I went over them in water, so I like the effect. So tell me in the comments what one you like better. This is the one I did today, and this is one I had done before. So in the comment section below, tell me what one that you prefer. So that's two in there. So like if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more of these, and I'll see you soon.